Hey everyone, we are back with the last step to our Celebration Stout from the Crafted Brewers Craft Society. This is our German chocolate cake inspired stout that's got toasted coconut in it, and honestly I cannot wait to try this, but we've got one thing left to do. Today, we're going to bottle this up. I've got everything cleaned and sanitized, so let's go ahead and get started.
Use an autosiphon to transfer the beer into a bottling bucket. Then fill each bottle. As the foam settles, go back and top off each bottle, leaving roughly an inch of headroom. If you didn't use priming sugar, add 1 carbonation drop to each 12-ounce bottle. And then use a capper to firmly cap and seal each bottle.
It's as simple as that. We have our Celebration Stout all bottled up, and of course we used the Cooper's carbonation drops, so we now have to give this about 3 weeks before we can crack one open. And of course we're going to take one in 3 weeks, put it in the refrigerator, and when we open it we're going to be listening for that hiss of sweet carbonation. And if we have that hiss, be sure to stay tuned because my favorite part is coming up shortly. Tasting. Thank you all once again for joining me on Homebrew 2. Until next time, cheers.